This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect this USB pen drive to your iPhone. And this is really easy to do depending on what version of iPhone you have. So I have an older iPhone and this one uses just Lightning. So you can see I have this Lightning adapter. So take this Lightning adapter to USB-C. I can plug this into my pen drive right now, just like this. And then the newer iPhones, I think like maybe 2024 and above, just look at your charger. If it looks like this, it's USB-C. And that'll take USB-C. And then you can just plug this into your iPhone, just like this. Boom. Very easy. Now, what you want to do is go on over to Photos. So let's go to Photos. Swipe, swipe. And then locate Photos right here. Tap it. Go to Select. And then tap a few photos. Go to the box in the bottom left. Go to Save to Files. And then we can back out to Location. So let's go to Save to Files. Back out. Locations, no name. No name is going to be my pen drive. You can create a folder. So you can go to Create New Folder. I have pics on here. And then we can just save it into our folder. So very easy to connect to transfer photos and stuff. We can find this under Files now. Files, let's go to App Library and Files. Tap this, you can see pics under there. Let's go back to Locations. No name is our USB drive. Tap that and go to Pics, and here's all our pictures. And you can see I have some duplicates in here that I might delete. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.